Hey everybody, this is Ryan Harris with Purdue Extension in Spencer County. I hope everybody had a great weekend. And today we are going to look at a penny cleaning experiment using some items that you can find around the house. We have dish soap, we have some regular tap water, we have soy sauce, we have ketchup, vinegar, and then salt. So we're going to take a look at each of these items and see if we can turn this dark penny into a shiny new looking penny. Okay, so that's the plan, and we're going to test each of these items out. So our first step to this experiment, before we put any of the pennies in our ketchup or our water, we will make some guesses as to how this experiment will turn out. So this will serve as your hypothesis. So right here, I have a list of what I think will work from best to worst as far as cleaning the pennies go, and I wrote a couple sentences as to why I thought so. So after you've done that, we can get started. So now that we have our hypothesis done, we can start putting our pennies with our different substances. To do that, you can just get some Dixie cups, or some small cups or plates, or maybe even bowls that you can just put these pennies in with the different things that we have. So here's what mine look like. Right here you can see the dish soap one. We just need enough to cover the penny there, so that'll be good. And this is what the water looks like, just enough to cover the penny. And then what we're going to do is let those sit for about 30 minutes so they can take effect. Okay, so we're back with our penny cleaning experiment. It has been 30 minutes since I have put the pennies in each of our different household items, and we're going to see which one cleaned it the best. So our goal was to get the pennies to look shiny, just like this one right here. It doesn't look like any of them quite got there, but it looks like the one that cleaned the best was our soy sauce. So right here, our third penny. And then I would say our dirtiest here is our second penny, and that was just the plain water. So there's our answer for our hypothesis. The water worked the least best, and the soy sauce worked the best to clean our pennies. So I'll record that along with my hypothesis on my sheet of paper, and I'm going to say that my hypothesis failed, because what I predicted was the apple cider vinegar would clean it the best, but it turns out it was the soy sauce. So that is really all you need to complete this experiment, is some dirty pennies. And by the way, whenever you do get your dirty pennies out and you're doing this experiment, remember to wash your hands afterwards. The other thing you need is some household condiments, and usually go for things with a higher acidity level, like the soy sauce or the apple cider vinegar. So that's it for this penny experiment, guys, and we'll see you soon for more videos.